Stepprs promotes its insoles as orthopedic, shock absorbing, and posture correcting, claiming they can relieve plantar fasciitis, back pain, and even improve circulation. Ads often highlight dramatic before and after stories and doctor approved endorsements. On the surface, they look like a simple solution for everyday discomfort. However, consumer watchdogs and user reviews raise red flags. Many buyers report receiving cheap foam insoles that don't match the advertised quality. Complaints include no noticeable pain relief, poor durability, and even misleading marketing tactics. Some even call it a scam, pointing out that the company relies heavily on exaggerated claims and aggressive ads rather than proven medical backing. That said, a few users do find them comfortable for casual wear, but they are far from a medical grade solution. Legitimate orthopedic insoles from trusted brands usually provide clearer specifications, clinical testing, and better long term support. Steppers insoles are more hype than help. They may feel okay for light use, but if you're seeking real foot relief, stick to verified orthopedic products instead of flashy ads.